Happy Halloween!
Welcome to Peach Betty. My name is Morgan and this is my son.
Cellophane!
Today we are making a special Halloween treat involving marshmallows and Rice Krispies. Somebody's already taken a bite out of this one. We are making candy corn Rice Krispie treats. And I'm really excited because this is the first time I've ever made these and they look super cute. I found them online and I thought it would be a fun one to try with Sullivan. We've actually never made Rice Krispie treats together, so this is a first, but we know we love marshmallows. So to start, we are going to take our marshmallows and our butter and melt them in the microwave. We have 3 different bowls because we're gonna have 3 different colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick our first bowl in the microwave for 3 minutes until it bubbles and all of it is melted. Ready?
How are your marshmallows?
We're gonna color the marshmallows. Here we go. While it's in the microwave, I'm going to take some butter and butter up our spatula here. It says that it's good to have a greased spatula. That way all the marshmallows don't stick to your spatula. Even your hands should be covered in this yummy butter. Sullivan's eating all my Rice Krispie treats.
It's yummy.
It's yummy. Alright. We have, oh, everything is puffing up. Let me grab it. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Look at how big. Okay, I'm gonna stir the butter together. Ooh, this is pretty toasty, so be careful. Now let's add our orange. So I have gel food coloring here, and I'm gonna do hopefully a couple drops. Oh no! Oh, bubbles. Okay, we got 2 drops of orange food coloring. Let's see where that gets us. We want to stir it around quickly and get everything nice and orange. Woo. All right, now that we have a more orange color, dump in your cereal. Ready? Yeah. Now we gotta stir all of this in here. It looks like macaroni and cheese. Look at this. Get it all covered in this orange goo. Look how sticky and wonderful it is. So now, thank you. Now that it's all covered, we have a 9-inch cake pan that I have buttered all over. We're gonna press it into the pan.
Pizza dough.
Pizza dough? We have Rice Krispie dough. What we're gonna do, we need to get butter on our hands. So let's get some butter. Wipe your hands in the butter. Go like this. And we gotta press this into the pan. It's a little warm. It's a little warm. But we gotta make a circle in the middle because this is our outer layer. And I didn't get enough butter on my hands. So we gotta press it all around.
It's a circle.
It's a circle, yeah. So you want to get this as tall and about at least 2 inches thick.
We need to say toys. Another.
You're gonna go play with your toys? All right, well, I'm gonna keep going. So we have our first layer almost done. Okay. Oh, a garbage truck. Our first layer is now spread into the pan. I'm gonna do our second layer. Time to microwave some more marshmallows and butter. Here we go. It's garbage trucks, kind of in the way. Whoa, marshmallows are super puffy. Puffy, puffy marshmallows. Now we have to add our yellow food coloring. There we go.
We need to add the cereal.
Add the cereal. Let's get it all yellow first. Whoa, this is a very, very bright yellow. I'm gonna give it one more quick microwave now that we have all of that color in there. Gosh, this looks so bright. Have a bite of cereal. Thank you. One single flake.
You single flake.
Two single flakes.
Three single flake.
Three single flakes.
Four single flake.
All right, sir. Pour in your cereal. Let's pick them up. Thank you. Thank you. Dump them all in. Yeah. Mix. You want to mix? Listen to that crunch, crunch, crunch. That's a good sound. Can you hear that? I love it. This is why they're called Rice Krispies, because they're so crispy.
Yellow.
Yellow.
What color is it?
What color is this?
Orange.
Yeah. Dump this in. Gonna get myself all buttered up again, leaving a little hole for our third layer. Now, the other side is going to be a lot prettier than this side, I think, because this one looks a little rough, but the other one's gonna be nice and smooth and flat. Layer number 2. So we have an even smaller amount of marshmallows and a small amount of butter. Time to go in the microwave.
Apple and banana.
This one's huge.
Apple and banana.
Apples and bananas. I got marshmallows and butter. And our last little bit of Rice Krispies. Stirring them all together. Alright, and this one needs no color because it is just the white layer of our candy corn. Well, there goes your apple. So now we have this last little bit that we need to cover. Make sure I've got enough room to fill this, which I actually think I've got a little more than what I need. So we have a little treat for ourselves. Go ahead and just fill it up.
Your orange.
You got an orange? What I have ended up with doesn't look super cute right now, but we're gonna let it chill for about an hour. I'm gonna stick it in the fridge, and then we're gonna slice them up into triangles. And they're gonna look super cute.
It's a vegetable, but it's an orange.
You wanna try a bite? We got some extra gooey stuff.
I want to eat cereal.
Eat some cereal.
Thank you.
You're welcome. While we waited, we painted some pictures, and now it is nice and cold and solid, so we should be able to pop it out pretty easily. Let me get a knife and run it around the edges to help release it. Maybe pry it out a little bit. So sticky. Yeah, this side is a lot prettier than this side. While he's painting, this will be a good time to cut it. So I'm gonna grab my knife out of the drawer here, and we want nice cute little triangles. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half first. And then, once we get it in half, I'm going to cut these in thirds. 1 and
2.
Yep, thank you.
3.
And 3. Now we have 4,
4.
5, and 6. Candy corns. Ta-da!
We need to eat them.
Pretty yummy. Overall, I think this was generally a success, but I do think that these are really big pieces to serve at a party. You are dedicated to eating a whole Rice Krispie treat if you eat these. So I think it might be better if you make them in a smaller pan. I'm gonna cut this guy in half. Maybe that's cuter. We're gonna go smaller.
How many triangle kids?
How many triangles can you see?
1, 2.
1, 2, good job.
2 triangles.
Mm-hmm. Are they yummy triangles?
1, 2.
These are more like it. How many triangles do you see now?
3.
Look at how cute. All right, well that's it. this was a success, I think. Pretty easy and delicious. Thank you guys for watching. We do this every other Sunday. I hope you guys have a great Halloween. Try these treats out and let us know what you think. Please comment and let us know if there's anything else you would like us to try. And you can follow me every Thursday on Facebook Live at 6 o'clock for live baking videos. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.